what you have? You have a goose? Aww, he's sweet.
You taping him?
Mm-hmm. I'm videotaping you, not taking a picture, silly boy.
They just eat.
He's pretty sweet, isn't he?
Mm-hmm. Isn't the meat the one that was being eaten yesterday?
He's so fluffy. Isn't he fluffy?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. It's pretty sweet.
It feels like I'm holding a stuffed animal and just petting it. Just so weird.
Abby's got a baby too in her hand. And that one is
Something.
that one is a Australorp.
My favorite.
I think it's a rooster, but I'm not sure. But he loves being held and he loves being pet, and he'll actually fall asleep in your arms. And then I have a sex-link, black sex-link. He's just chilling in my hands too. And now Caleb has a duck. Hold on. Hold on. I don't know. Check in the drawers. He's pretty cute, isn't he?
He's actually kind of being calm.
Oh, we're going to watch him. Can you move your feet, Ibs? Aww. Hope he doesn't poop on my rug.
Take that to break.
Oh, he's loud. You know what we should do? We should get a thing of water and see if they want to swim.
Yeah, could be fun. Could he go get something like that?
Oh, I think so.
Okay, yeah.